Bhakt Phool Singh Government Medical College for Women, Khanpur Kala, Sonipat. Haryana is number one in many spheres of development, but keeping in view of the women empowerment and girls' medical education, the Honorable Chief Minister of Haryana desired to establish a dream project for girls' medical education. The BPS Government Medical College in 100 acres for women in Khanpur Kala is the first government medical college for girls after a gap of 100 years, as the Lady Hardinge Medical College was established in 1914. So, it's a milestone in India in the field of girls' medical education. The foundation stone of the institute was laid by the Honorable Chairperson of UPA, Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji, on 1st March 2009 in the university. Haryana government has acquired the land and constructed the medical college in the record time of 2 years. The detailed project report prepared by the government was about of rupees 700 crores to establish a state-of-the-art institute. NBCC built up the first phase of medical college, hospital, administrative block and residences in a record time of 2 years. The cost of first phase was rupees 374 crores on building, nearly rupees 50 crores on equipment, machinery and furniture to create a world-class infrastructure with state-of-the-art machinery and equipments. On 1st September 2011, Shri Rao Narendra Singh has inaugurated the hospital to the public. Under the supervision of Dr. R.C.C. Vauch, a dedicated team of 21 doctors joined the institute with paramedics and ministerial staff, and the institute was made operational with 100 beds on trial basis. Gradually, the bed strength was increased to 300 capacity and all services in the institute were made operational by 1st January 2012. Today, the total strength of the doctors is 211 in all clinical and non-clinical departments. The hospital is fully operational in its first phase capacity of 450 beds with state-of-the-art intensive areas, 100 beds of disaster area with modular operation theatres, and world-class labor room, radiology and library, etc. The Medical Council of India conducted the intense inspection of the institute on 22nd March and 23rd March 2012, and 4 MCI inspectors inspected each and every item minutely and finally reported that there was no deficiency in the institute. Hence, permission to admit 100 girl students was granted by the Medical Council of India on 20th of June 2012. This is a mega achievement to get permission from the Medical Council of India to admit 100 students in first attempt. Now, 100 girl students are pursuing their MBBS course in the campus. Another major breakthrough came when the government of Haryana sanctioned 40 posts of super speciality in one go to make the institute as one of the role model in the country. The infrastructure and all the facilities are like any big corporate hospital in India. The Honorable Dr. A.K. Walia, Health Minister of New Delhi, visited the institute along with his full team to see how the world-class building and state-of-the-art machinery equipments has been established by the government of Haryana in such an interior area. And he could not stop himself in front of the press that this is really a rural medicity created by government of Haryana. Now, the work of the second phase, which is of about rupees 172 crores, has been started, and the remaining part of the hospital, which is to reach to about 700 beds, special wards and other facilities have been started, and hopefully the entire project will be completed in the next 2 years. The medical institutions, as per MCI norms, have 3 purposes like teaching, patient care and research. And in this 1.5 years, we have achieved all 3 goals of the Medical Council of India. The institute is imparting human services 24 hours free of cost to the poor and needy patients of rural Haryana. It is also imparting the best teaching and training to its MBBS students and all best possible research and publications. It is a record in itself that 105 faculty members of BPS Government Medical College for Women, Khanpur Kala, have read their scientific presentations in different national and international platforms. The institute has also organized 4 scientific programs in the current year, which is a hard task in rural area. Presently, our outdoor patient department strength has reached to nearly 1,500 to 2,000 per day, or bed occupancy is more than 90%. The intensive areas created in the institute of 40 beds along with ventilators facilities are 80 to 85% occupied. About 20 to 30 major surgeries are performed in all the disciplines every day. There's a massive infrastructure and equipments machinery of investigating in the departments of radiology. In brief, an institute conceived in the country after a gap of nearly 100 years for girls' medical education. The institute fulfills all the criteria of NCI as teaching, patient care, and research. It has much better infrastructures and machinery equipments than any institute in the country in the government sector and at par with all multinational hospitals in metropolitan cities. Total OPD attendance are 5,50,753. Daily average OPD visits 1,800 to 2,200. Total admissions are 30,592. Total lab investigations are 11,15,869. Total radiology investigations, X-ray plus USG, 53,043. Total surgery done till now, 39,984. Total medicine distribution to the patient, 2,59,687 patients. Bed occupancy, 92%. Total deliveries done, 2,533. On March 2013, second NCI inspection was made and no deficiency was found, and hence NCI has given permission of first renewal to admit 100 students of MBBS in second batch. On 8 March 2013, Honorable Chairperson of UPA has inaugurated the hospital to the public. On this auspicious occasion, CM of Haryana, Chaudhry Bhupender Singh Hooda, along with the dignitaries, Shri Rao Narendra Singh, Srimati Navraj Sandhu, Shri S.N. Rai, Shri S.S. Sangwan, Shri Deependra Hooda, Shri Jagbir Malik, and thousands of people of surrounding areas were present. Srimati Sonia Gandhi, on this auspicious occasion, planted a tree in the premises of the college. Srimati Sonia Gandhi visited the hospital and talked to the patients about the services they were receiving from the hospital. She also visited the ICU, MICU and NICU and said that here the world-class building and state-of-the-art machinery equipment has been established by the government of Haryana. In the examination hall, Srimati Sonia Gandhi has seen the documentary on the hospital and she could not stop herself by commenting that this is really a corporate hospital created by the government of Haryana in a very short time. With full commitment and dedication of all doctors and staff, the institution is providing excellent services to the poor as well as common people. What we have been able to achieve till now has made us more determined to make greater efforts to develop the infant institution into a fully grown adult that is committed to make a difference to medical education and imparting world-class healthcare services.